Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable press volume up to answer calls on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen, and on the home screen, swipe down at the top and tap on the settings button. In settings, swipe up to go down, and in here, tap on accessibility. Next, tap on interaction and dexterity, then go down and tap on answering and ending calls. Next, tap on press volume up to answer calls. Tap on the toggle button to turn it on. Switch it off. If you turn this on, you can press on the volume up key when you receive an incoming call to pick up the call. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.